In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy hummus. And all you'll be needing is some garbanzo beans or chickpeas, some lemon, a little fresh parsley or fresh herbs, some tahini, and then also some garlic, a little salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and a splash of water. If you're ready, let me show you how to blend this up. First, you're going to want to drain those chickpeas, so just throw them into a colander as so, and go ahead and rinse them with fresh water. You can give it a little shake there. And ready to go. Set those aside now. Get your food processor ready. You're going to throw in the chickpeas, the garlic, the tahini, get it all out there, some fresh lemon. Fresh is always best. You can really get in there and utilize all that lemon juice. A little salt, a little pepper, and then that olive oil. And don't worry, we can adjust these flavors later on. So don't worry about if you didn't add enough. Just add the bare minimum to start. All right, now I like to add a little splash of water, and this is just gonna help it be really smooth and help it along in the food processor. Go ahead and now add that lid on top, make sure it clicks in, and just blend it up. The key to hummus is getting the right consistency. So after you blend it, scrape down the sides. I'm gonna add in the fresh herbs now. If you don't wanna use fresh herbs, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna pulse those in. Give it a quick taste, and then we're going to adjust the seasonings if needed. So at this point, you can add a little salt, a little more pepper, or lemon juice if you need. That way you can adjust it to the way that you like. Everyone's taste is a little bit different. All right, and then loosen that up, and your hummus is ready to plate up. So let's plate it up. Using that spatula, go ahead and scrape all that creamy, delicious hummus out of the food processor. And I'm just gonna use it for meal prep. You could also plate it up for a party or a snack. Go ahead and just smooth it out with a spatula or a spoon. So just to make it really nice and pretty. It looks so creamy, delicious, and fresh. I'm gonna add a little paprika on top, a little more extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold, a little fresh parsley on top, and wow, it looks fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy eating!